In today's Sea Day video, we head to the Festivale Restaurant for a Sea Day brunch featuring one of my favorite, Eggs Benedict. Then we spend some time walking around the ship trying to get used to the layout of these huge Excel-class ships. Then we head to an amazing elegant night dinner and an awesome show, Celestial Strings, in the Celebration Central Theater. All that and more starts now. Well, hello, good morning, and welcome back to the Carnival Celebration at sea. That's right. It is a sea day, and we have arisen. We just checked us in to the Festivale Restaurant, which is the main dining room for the Sea Day Brunch. Super excited about this. Got to get that Eggs Benny. So we got everybody together. Everyone's trying to get ready to go. We got a couple minutes here, and then we are heading down to go to breakfast. Sea Day. The world is our oyster. Who knows what we're going to get up to, but I'm going to bring you guys along. So let's go ahead and see what we can get up to here today on the Carnival Celebration. Well, we have made it here to the Festivale Restaurant, which is where we had dinner last night, but we're now downstairs for Sea Day Brunch. We'll throw the menu up here. The Sea Day Brunch is the same every Sea Day Brunch, so you'll see that a couple of times on this trip. It's a pretty solid menu. They have some really good things. I'm a big fan of Eggs Benedict, so that's what I get every time I can. But first, I have to bust out the emergency supply of coffee creamer. As you know, I am a big fan of coffee creamer, so if that's something that you're into, I would suggest packing your own. Most cruise lines don't do flavored creamer, especially readily accessible. So, all right. And then if I could start with the Eggs Benedict with the salmon, and then if I could do a side of pork link sausage, hickory smoked bacon, and the hash brown potatoes. If I can do the chicken and waffles.
Chicken and waffle.
And then if I could do the kids mac and cheese, and then a banana cream pie. Perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we were hanging out in the central area, that kind of theater there in the middle atrium, for a while with some of our friends, and we had a great time just hanging out. Madison went to the kids club for an hour and a half and is having a wonderful time there. But it is time for lunch, so we have come here to the buffet, grabbed some big chicken, Shaq's Big Chicken, got a chicken sandwich, and then we're just shy of the buffet opening, so I think we're gonna grab a salad or something light after that, because we do have elegant night tonight, and I believe tonight is steak, so probably gonna go a little heavier on the dinner like we did with breakfast, so keep it a lighter lunch for now. But yeah, excited to try Shaq's Big Chicken. It's been a while. Well, after a short nap, we have wandered back out with messy hair. At 3 o'clock today, which is in about 45 minutes, we are going to a creator meetup. This was put on by a friend of ours, Evan from Family at Sea, which I'll link his channel down below. You can check him out. He does some great comparison videos, kind of the this or that, the top 10 type things. Does some great videos across a whole bunch of cruise lines. So if you're interested in some of that, go check that out. Family at Sea. He does a really good job. But anyways, on our Facebook page, we have about 1,200 people in our Facebook group for this specific sailing. And he has put together a little bit of a creator meetup for those that do kind of what I do with social media, whether that's vlogging or blogging or even just, you know, TikTok lives and things. So we're going to go to the creator meetup, which is just in about a half hour or so. But I think we'll walk around the ship, just kind of see what's going on, bring you just a little bit of the vibe of the ship. So let's go for a walk. Well, I made it back to the room. We are just about getting ready for dinner here. It is about 5:15. We have dinner at 6. Tonight is elegant night, so I'm gonna continue wearing what I'm wearing. I might change my pants or wear no pants at all. Who knows? Might go crazy. But the meetup was really cool. Met some really cool creators from across not just YouTube, but also TikTok, and people that do lives versus people that only do collabs versus people that only do, you know, vlogs, kind of like we do and stuff. So it was pretty nice. It was a pretty eclectic group of people. Really cool. And yeah, so I think that was a great idea. I would definitely do a creator meetup on every cruise I would go on from now on. So, but yeah, so tonight is elegant night. Like I said, escargot, filet mignon on the menu. Definitely gonna be indulging in that. So super excited about that. But that's it. So let's change our clothes slightly and head to dinner. Well, we have made it back to the Festivale Restaurant. Again, we are at the aft of the ship. I can see the cavitations here at the back of the ship. I'm going to go ahead and throw the menu up here. This is elegant night, so I did wear pants. Everyone is looking wonderful tonight. I'm gonna see what we get up to here for dinner. We have the show tonight, which is the Celestial Strings, which is kind of in that central theater area. So we're all kind of talking about if we want to do that tonight. So that sounds fun. But yeah, that's what we got for now.
Starter?
Yes. So if I could have an order of escargot, and then I'm gonna do the iceberg salad, and then if I could do the tuna crudo, and then I'm gonna do the filet mignon and short rib, medium rare, and then if I could also do the shrimp and fish cake. She's gonna have a little bit of that. I want to try this Mile High gelato pie. Yeah.
Why does it kind of look like an infinity sign? I try to do a fish.
Well, that was dinner. It took way longer than expected. Obviously, everyone's going to order filet mignon, or most people would order filet mignon, so everyone has to have their steaks how they want them cooked. That takes a lot longer to make than, say, some shrimp or a chicken. So that definitely added a bit to our time. And unfortunately, the dessert, which was an upcharge that I ordered, apparently doesn't exist. So he tried and tried to find it. Then once he found it, he tried to put it on my tab and it didn't go. So then he came back and was like, well, I'll put it on Katie's. And we're like, okay, fine, it doesn't matter, it's the same, you know, whatever. And then it didn't. And so like we sat there forever waiting for our desserts. And finally he came back and was like, it doesn't exist. The barcode to scan the thing to charge to the account doesn't do anything. You scan the barcode and nothing happens. It's almost like they have something on the menu that they don't have a billing bit for in their system somehow. So we probably spent a good solid 15-20 minutes just kind of sitting there waiting for our desserts. And I feel bad because the 8 other people at the table are all waiting for their desserts, being held up by my upcharge that doesn't exist. So I didn't get a dessert, that's okay, but we did come back to the room so we could change out of our fancy clothes because we are going to head to the show tonight, Celestial Strings, which is in kind of that center stage multi-use area. That's coming up, so we will be bringing that to you and show you a couple of clips of Celestial Strings. I hope you enjoy it. Well, we made it back to the room. It is almost 11 o'clock, so we're going to be a little bit quieter. But after that show, which was awesome, it was better than I remember it 2 years ago. So I feel like the shows on the Celebration, they've really polished them up really well. Color My World last night and tonight, Celestial Strings, both were really clean, really good. A couple of the song choices made me really want to go watch Moulin Rouge again. So I'll probably do that when I get home. But we stopped late night Za, had a late night pizza for a little bit there. And it was really good. It was very hot and fresh. They have this new way of handing out the pizza that speeds it up so fast. I'll have to take a video and show you kind of how they segregate it. But it makes it so that you're not waiting at all, which is so good. The Pizza Pirate on all of the ships was always one of those like, hey, it's the only thing open, but there's a line of 65 people now because there's only one guy working. So when they made these ships and they made a huge pizza area, here on this ship, it's called Miami Slice. So that there's like 5 people making pizzas and 2 people handing out pizzas the moment they come off. So works out really well. But anyways, tomorrow's another Sea Day. So we're going to repeat but slightly different today, which I'm looking forward to. And I hope you come along with me. Today was a great day. Really enjoyed that creator meetup. That was really, really fun. Got to meet a couple of other YouTubers, some TikTokers and stuff like that. So it was really cool. Actually met someone that uses Pinterest. I haven't thought about Pinterest in a minute. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, super, super fun day here on the celebration. We're having a great time. Tomorrow again, can't wait to see you. Hope you join me. Subscribe for more. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. And if you want to get notified, ring that little bell. We upload new videos every week.